Dollar index, we start with daily chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned for long term we're looking for buy, but the question is whether this is the start of the up move or still we can expect the price to give us one more drop to retest this low, which is 88.29 before we get the next move. Okay, we want to see how we can trade it, and as we can see based on daily chart, what we have here, this correction we have after this down move, whether this can give us one more drop or not. Okay, and if we put this one relative to this, if we move to indicators, we see what we have. MACD doesn't show us anything, but the another one shows us a divergence. Okay, one is we want to see what's the next and how we can trade. Okay, if we move to forward chart, all right now maybe we can look at this correction because we had this move. We can look at this correction. We want to see whether this is the one is going to break the top or not. Okay, in this case we put our line here. We want to see how we can trade it. As we show based on daily chart, for sure if we get one more drop, then any reversal from there can give us better trade setup. But how about if the price continue from here? Okay, because as we can see, we are within this correction. And if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, first of all, if we want to look for buy, having entry above the top, I mean the price already take, we are not going to trade like that. The only thing is we want to see whether this one can give us a correction for continuation or not. But what we have right now, we don't have any trade setup unless this one turn to a deeper correction. Then if we get any buy, we can trade it. And if the price continue from here, maybe we can with a sharp move, and if like we can take it, and with the breakout of this top, we can start to manage because we can expect the price break the top. Then from there, maybe we get a reversal. We are not sure. We need to see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay, can we have entry above the top? Because right now the only thing is having entry above the top is very risky, which is around 92.5. It depends on the traders, but if they put entry above the top, what they want the price sharply break and continue. Okay, by the way, we're looking for buy. We want to see whether we get the correction from here or not. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, but we should be aware may this one give us one more drop. If we get any down move, the next move, this is what we're looking for, because we can expect this correction to become more complex. We don't want to buy at the top, we want to prefer to buy at the low. Okay, in this case, we just follow the chart. If we want to look for buy, either we get the correction from here or for continuation, because we're looking at this correction. If I move to forward chart, this is what we're looking for. We're putting this flat in relative to this. That's why we get one move up. Anyway, we don't have any proper trade setup. The only thing is we have a sharp move. We want to see whether we can get any trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.